choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your performance update on the 1st of December 2015. Normally I do these updates on a Monday. However, it's useful, I think, to do it today on a Tuesday, being the 1st of December. It gives us a sort of a high-level view of November statistics. So that said, let's do that. So medium risk up to moonshot. So medium risk, Blackwave Pacific 55.71% is the total gain, and then Blackwave Australia 146.74% is the total gain. Blackwave Monaco, the moonshot account, then 1143.03% is the gain. So drilling down now for some more details. Let's have another little look. So Blackwave California, by the way, still not closed out any of its trades yet, but the maximum drawdown is 11.06%. So that suits the lower risk profile, of course, that we're intending. However, it's been a slower mover, as you would expect, with a lower risk profile and 0% gain so far. Blackwave Pacific then is the medium risk account, of course. So total gain 55.71% and absolute gain 43.1%. The monthly stats mean we grow at about 13.5%, or have been on average per month. This is a copy account below $20,000 and a managed Forex account above $20,000. So if you want a managed Forex account, go to IC Markets and open an account with them. I can manage an account which will essentially copy the Blackwave Pacific account without the PayPal, without the monthly payments. Instead, we split the profits. So you keep 85% of the profits. I keep 15, which is probably the lowest in the industry. So back to business. Total deposits, let's call it $2,000. Balance 2,861. This account's been on the go since just August, so 55.71% since August. So far, we've done 151 trades since August. 69% of the longs are winners, 74% of the shorts, with the expectancy at $5.71. This is what we look like: 14, 20, let's call it 6, and then 7% in November. It's been doing well. For a medium risk account. Then a high risk account, Blackwave Australia. This trades in both directions at the same time, so it's not FIFO compliant like Blackwave Pacific is. There is it's hedging in one way or another, trading in both directions at the same time to a greater or lesser extent. So the gain 146.74%, the absolute gain 138.41%. The balance now is $1,220. We made some money overnight with the Reserve Bank of Australia rate decision. We also have Australian GDP, and FYI, we also have on Thursday the Eurozone, the ECB Central Bank rate decision, and we'll have more news about their QE program as well. And then on Friday, non-farm payrolls. So the word busy week gets bandied about, but I think this probably is a busy week. So total gain today, 1.22%. Same for this week, same for this month, because it's the first of the week, the 1st of December. This year 146%, as you know. Total trades 214 since July. 75% of the longs are winners, 77% of the shorts are winners. The expectancy $3.50. If you look at the monthly stats, well, December's awful, isn't it? But then this is the 1st of December. Every month has been profitable, and November beat October, 8.24% in November now. So this account is the most popular account, actually, Blackwave Australia. Then the moonshot account. This is the crazy fool account. How awesome are we? Can we turn a $1,000 account into $1 million in 36 months? Well, we'll see. It comes with a big drawdown from time to time. The equity $1,039 now. We deposited $1,058. We withdrew $1,195. Current balance $3,001. Equity $1,039. It's a risky account. I had somebody asking me could they copy the account yesterday. I've almost advised them against it. I said, look, you can do it, but it's a really risky account to copy. It's an extremely ambitious account to copy, and I cannot guarantee we will get there. But it is very, very ambitious indeed. And so far, at least on the cash side, we've trebled our money, or more than trebled our money in absolute terms, even after taking out the original deposit. So today, nothing. This week, $29.13. We made some money yesterday. In November, over $450, I think. This year, $3,139. Trade 628 since March. This is the oldest account as well, by the way. And pips 23,499 pips, which is about 605 lots. A lot of lots. 81% of the longs are winners. 76% of the shorts are winners. The average trade 6 days. And it trades euro, dollar, and the CAC current in both directions at the same time. So if you want to copy this account, you need to do micro trade sizes in the CAC current. I think I will try and phase out the CAC current in the coming weeks and months. But for now, it still trades that. And I'll be trading just euro, dollar. Then I think it's just easier and tidier. So up to, November, 17.31%. Even after I was told all of my monthly stats are declining, and that's not surprising because it's the project is too ambitious. Well, November has gotten the same as October and September combined. Granted, the drawdown is high, and we need to solve that, and we're going to work on that too. So those are the various types of accounts. Let's look straight into the Monaco account. Why not, right? So here's the CAC current, a series of lower lows. This is on a weekly time frame, a series of lower lows since March. Arguably a series of lower tops since March. The question is this to be the latest in the series of lower tops? I do have a take profit at 5,100 in the CAC current here, so let's see how we get on with that. And then euro dollar, well, let's have a little look here. We've had a rally this morning so far, but on this weekly time frame, you can see that we broke the rising trend support. Technical breakout suits the fundamentals as well. I have a feeling we'll get a rally because everybody's on the short side. So we could get a rally over the course of the coming sessions, and we'll just have to see. Again, we have the ECB rate decision on Thursday. We have the non-farm payrolls on Friday. So it's a busy week in those terms. But then all this information could well be baked in. So we could get a rally in the medium term. That is that one. Then the Pacific account. Well, let's just start with Kiwi yen, or another New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. This to my mind looks a little bit like an inverted head and shoulders pattern. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, with the neckline somewhere at 82.20 perhaps. So we'll see, does that neckline hold? Otherwise, the trend has been and continues to be down. We did get as low as 70 before rallying up to 81, close to 82 now. And we've been there before, and we've come off those highs. So let's see, the larger picture is of a declining New Zealand dollar buying fewer and fewer Japanese yen, but in the medium term we've had this rally. Aussie US dollar, well, we had that technical breakout out of the apex of that wedge formation. But again, the bigger picture here is down. Pacific trades is FIFO compliant and trades in only one direction at any one time, so there's no hedging. So it's good for US clients. This is the copy account below 20 grand and the managed Forex account above 20 grand. So that's that, and the Aussie US dollar as well. So there's a mismatch between the technical breakout and the fundamental picture. Then the Australia account itself, so that's the same. It only trades Aussie US dollar, so it's the same technical picture, except we managed to close out some trades overnight because of the Reserve Bank of Australia rate decision. That is it. If you have any questions or do want to contact me, you can contact me via Skype or via the form on the website, or by return from the newsletter. So that's it. I'll talk to you next week. Have a safe week. Have a good week.